next, practical implementation into a maintenance organization. So what we've got here is an EASA document, which you can look at. And here is a little bit of it. And it's a superb piece of work. This is an EASA document. And I've just pasted in a couple of slides here to have a look at it. And it's identifying the expectations. And you can see, for example, the accountable manager has a basic understanding of the regulation. So we're talking about both 2018-1139, the basic regulation, excuse me, and the 1321, the continuing airworthiness regulation. Person responsible for the safety management processes is subject to approval of the competent authority. So we want the competent authority to sign off on our safety manager. They're also going to sign off on the safety management system. The organisation to establish and control the competency of the safety manager. What does that mean? Well, we've got to determine for our organisation a framework by which we will find an acceptable safety manager. It's not necessarily one size fits all. You've got to accept that it's scalable. If I am, for example, the safety manager of a large UAE airline, my roles, responsibilities and skill sets are going to be very, very different than if I'm the safety manager of a 145 workshop. Both roles are absolutely important, but what we're actually doing is, of course, very, very different. So for that reason, EASA is looking more and more to the organisation to determine and develop its own set of criteria, if you like. That document is just a very small part, by the way. When you go and look at the EASA download, the EASA website, or you can find this on the Sofema download area, you'll see that there's a lot more information. Plus the other document we were talking about, if you remember, 160 actionable points.